Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2011 Ford Taurus SEL all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray, looks great. You got that bug deflector out front here with the Ford badging. You also have your projector-style headlights right there, and coming around the side we do have our 18-inch rims with our tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do also have your Taurus badging, as well as the Ford and the SEL all-wheel drive. Now we can open it up right here with the keys. Lift that guy up. Lots and lots of room in here. Looks fantastic. Those seats up there can fold forward. As well, you can fold this guy up, and you got your spare tire under there. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got that one to open up the back, and the panic button there. Let's unlock, and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there. You got your handle and some storage down here with a place for a water bottle. Looks great in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable. They are electric as well, so backward and forward, and then you get the tilt, and you have the lumbar support there. And up here we do have the controls over lights, so the off, on, daytime running lights, and auto, as well as you have your in-cabin light control here. And up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. In the center we have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there, it does tell us our distance till empty, as well as how many kilometers we have. Now we do also have our paddle shifters right here and here. Then you have your cruise control options, horn in the center, and your Bluetooth, as well as the volume up and down controls. Right in the center here we have all sorts of different buttons. Up here we got the info setup and the reset, as well as your hazard lights right there. We do also have our presets right here. We have our clock in the center, and then we have our direct tuner. We have our scan, we have our text, our folder, the selector right here. Then you also have your menu, sound, phone, and clock. It does also have the AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. CD player with your eject button and your load. You have the volume up and down with the power, the FM and AM, as well as Sirius XM. You have the aux and your CD. You have your tuner and browser over here. Then you have your climate control, so the power up and down, front and rear defrost, where it's going to blow out of, your AC, auto, max AC, and circulation, and then your dual climate system for your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got your heated seats right here. Then we do have our gear shift right here, and you can open up this one, and this one for lots of different storage options. Then you do also have this guy that lifts up. You got some storage just in there with an aux cord and USB plug-in. And then over here we do have a locking glove box and some lights up top. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, another handle, the control over your windows, and you got some more storage down here. Looks great back here as well. Same materials the front. Seats 3 people. You can fold this guy down like this, and then you got an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold the seat forward just right here, just like that, and then you got extra storage or access to the back. And there's our 3.5-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2011 Ford Taurus SEL. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.